Hey guys, welcome everyone. Thank you for joining us on this Tuesday live stream on the Binomo Live channel. Today we'll be discussing market secrets for profitable trades. What are some of these things that are probably not so well known that could be a factor in whether you make a lot of winning trades, successful trades, profitable trades, or whether you will incur losses and not have a good time in the market. So we know that there are perceptions that are just wrong, and I want to start with that before we go into the big secrets or the not so well known factors that would make you more successful with your trades, that would make you more profitable in your trading on a weekly basis, on a monthly basis. So the first thing is about this myth or this incorrect and wrong perception that you can get rich quickly with trading. Okay, so that's a wrong belief to have. That is a wrong perception to have, because if you believe that from the beginning, as a beginner, as a new trader, you will not enjoy trading because the losses would start to add up. You'll get some wins, you get some profit, make some profits here and there, but you will find that it is very difficult to become consistent when you believe this assumption or this perception that you can get rich quickly. Now, I know it's talked about a lot, and everywhere we are shown that trading is such an easy thing to flip your life around. It's actually, the reality is much more disciplined than that. It's not so reckless. It is not so easy. Somebody says, I'm sure you've heard this: easy come, easy go. So, you can get profits easily, but you can also lose those profits just as easy. So that's the number one thing that I want to put out before we talk about market secrets. And secondly, the foundation that you need to have: one, to not fall into the trap of believing that trading is easy, an easy way out and become successful. It is not easy. It is a very disciplined journey that you have to go through. The other thing is the thinking that you need to have this foundation or this belief that technical analysis is not the only way to understand what's going on. The other side of technical analysis is fundamental analysis, where you understand what the context or the situation, whether economic, financial, if you're talking about currency pairs, we are talking about economic situation, economic context. When we're talking about stocks, we're talking about financial context, how well the company is doing and what are the cost pressures as well as the revenue factors that are affecting the company's earnings. So there's always that, it's inseparable. You cannot detach financial analysis from stocks. You cannot detach economic analysis from currency pairs when you're trading Forex. So as part of your foundation, you need to understand, before we go to market secrets, you need to understand that you need to balance your approach to the market, to analyzing assets and to trading, that you need both technical and fundamental analysis. Believing that you can do with just one, whether fundamental or technical, you will find that it will become difficult and you will be proven wrong many, many times. Okay, so keep that at the back of your mind. And thirdly, the third foundation that I have for you is risk management is the number one step. Okay, so this is the part that is not going to reduce your profits. This is the part that's going to save your trading account. Okay, risk management is the step where you prevent yourself from destroying your portfolio, your own portfolio. Most traders don't understand that the number one person who will destroy their trading balance is themselves. Okay, so you need to understand that. We've talked about this in many live streams and many videos. You can go back into the history. A lot of the videos are on the channel, so be sure to go through those and see some examples that we've put out for you to understand risk management. So now let's talk about market secrets. What kind of secrets are we talking about? You know, everything about the market is actually known and it's already out there. But the secret is more of about belief. Okay, the power of price action is secret number one. Reading what's going on in the market through the movement of candles, through patterns that prices make, through repeated sequences or repeated shapes is what will tell you what's going on in the market. See, the market is made up of people it's made up of robots. A lot of the trading or movements we see in the candles are due to machine trading, automated algorithms that trade big money, big funds, hedge funds, big banks. You know, a lot of the movement is because of that. Now, the movement is also due to institutional traders being led by humans like you and me, and also individuals like you and me, whom we call retail traders. These movements, these decisions that are made on a minute by minute basis, on an hour by hour basis, day by day, week by week, month by month, they reflect a belief of confidence, or they reflect a belief of no confidence, or you can say fear. Okay, so when the market is confident about something, you will see trends moving in a decisive way, in a confident way, in one specific direction, whether the direction is up or down. Okay, and when the market is not confident, when the participants are not confident, when the machines are not confident, well, when they're not confident, it means that they will trade really short profits and really short losses and close their trades early. That's what it means for the machines. For humans as well, big traders or retail traders like yourself and myself, they will make short trading decisions when they have no confidence as to what's really going on. The market shows their confidence levels through the shapes that appear on the price chart. And if you are looking right now to this on the screen, I currently have Euro USD open on the chart on my platform. Okay, we have Euro USD there with 84% profit factor. Now you see that it's either going up or going down. In this particular case, it's going down. Do you think it's going down in an uncertain manner, or do you think it's going down in a sure, confident manner? What do you think? Just take one look at it. You will be able to see whether it's uncertain or it's full of confidence. I would say that this resembles more of a move that is there's confidence behind the move, because it's such a big move from here to here. So this is 107.33, this peak right here, this 107.33, moving down here to 107.21. Okay, this is 107.21. So that's a move that is not cancelled out at any point. So if there's any pullback happening where traders are not certain, you will see the pullback happening all the way up to the initial price. It didn't happen. It went all the way down. Some pullbacks happen for sure. In the markets, you are to expect pullbacks to happen. It didn't go all the way even to the midpoint of the move. So the midpoint of the move is probably somewhere here at 107.28. It went all the way to 107.2221. And from that point, it went all the way down here to 1070, and Now you see things are a bit different. From here to here, 107 to 107.33 to 1070 looks pretty confident, especially this long candlestick right here. Of course, the long candlestick is affected by news. Okay, there was a news event showing that wage cost, employment cost surged above expectations today, and this meant that dollar is going to be stronger. Anticipation of interest rates are going to be kept at current levels, and probably even interest rate increase coming into the picture if we get more evidence like this. Anyway, so this move from here to here is pretty confident. We don't have any significant retracements or pullbacks, as we can see from the chart. Okay, but then if you look at this movement from here, which is 107.22 to 1070, that was the pullback. It pulled back all the way here to 107.1. Okay, so that's above the midpoint. So if this long candle was the reference point, the midpoint is somewhere here, and you can see the pullback went above the midpoint. So here you can say there was uncertainty. Okay, but as soon as the asset came back down and overcame this low, which is 1070, you get another long candle all the way down. So from here to here, you can say it's pretty confident move. From here to here is a pretty confident move. It was just that when it first touched 1070, you get some uncertainty there. So the market is always showing you uncertainty, or the market is always showing you confidence. So the secret there is you got to be aware of how confident the market is, and you can tell that from price action. You can tell that from the candles. You can tell that from the shapes that you see, the patterns that you see that are shown in the price chart. So don't look at charts and always be looking for candlestick patterns by itself. The bigger picture, if you just zoom out a little, is you need to ask yourself, is there confidence in the market in this particular direction? Remember, direction, when we're talking about confidence, the direction can be up or down. In this case, it's going down. So is there confidence? If you are seeing confidence, you can also build that into your trading plan. You know, if you see a confident market, or if you see a confident price action, what are you going to do? How are you going to trade? Okay, so because if we look at patterns, if we look for traditional candlestick patterns like doji or hammer or things like that, three black crows or whatever, sometimes we lose sight of, is there confidence in the market? And of course, don't forget, price action, there's always different lenses. You can look at it from a 5-minute time frame. You can look at it from a 15 minutes time frame. You can also look at it from a 1 hour, 4 hour, 8 hour time frame. Those higher time frames have stronger interpretation. So if you are looking at a confident movement or price action, and then you are seeing this on a high time frame, long time frame, that's an even bigger signal than a shorter time frame interpretation of confidence. Okay, so always bear that in mind. Always zoom out. Don't just look for traditional candlestick patterns. So that is secret number one. There is power in price action in that it shows you can actually read the market. The confidence level tells you, even if you get a retracement, you know that this particular move started with a move of confidence, and then this retracement is happening. You can wait for it to cancel itself out. If the retracement cancels itself out, then that means the original trend with confidence will most likely continue. And that was what we saw with Euro USD today, this pattern right here. Okay, so secret number one, the power of price action. Market secret number two. You have to understand that success for you as a trader depends a lot on market psychology, and most importantly, your understanding of your psychology. Okay, so having seen price action and having understand what the market psychology or market sentiment is, you need to have an understanding or appreciation of what your psychology is. How are you feeling? Sometimes the market is so confident and we are seeing it in the price action, but you are not sure of what to do. Even when you have things written down in your trading plan or in your trading strategy, sometimes you're not sure. Why? Because we are affected by a lot of things. Traders are affected by previous losses. Traders are affected by a poor track record. Traders are affected by, not having full understanding of what's going on. You read the news, you see, okay, the market is reacting to the news. You sort of believe that the news is what's causing this, but because you only read one piece of news and you haven't read anything else, then you're not sure. You know that this particular news today is affecting the market, but did you know that there were other signs of high inflation? So we had CPI, we had strong NFP. There were other things besides employment cost index, which came out today. So for inflation, there are many readings, many different economic reports that speak to inflation. Unemployment also could contribute to inflation. Retail sales could also contribute to inflation in terms of interpreting what will happen to inflation. So you have to understand what you are feeling and getting to the root of it. If you're feeling confident, why? If you're not feeling confident, why? Because I just outlined the situation where if you're not confident, it's probably because you don't really have the full context of things. So that is a simple fix. You need to go and research and learn more. Fine. There's also a situation, the flip side of it is where you are confident. Now, confident is not necessarily a good thing when it is falsely founded. Okay. If you have been making profitable trades for the last, if you make over the last 10 trades, you made 5 or 6 profitable trades, you will naturally become so confident. Okay. And not knowing that this confidence is because of discipline or strategy or analysis, or just based on that recent 5-win track record, 5 profitable trade track record, then you don't really understand why you have this high level of confidence. You need to understand that you want to have the right psychology, you want to have the right confidence being fueled by discipline, strategy, analysis, and as well as understanding of what's going on. That's the best kind of confidence. That's the best kind of psychology when you want to approach the market. You don't want to approach the market feeling confident because you just read somewhere, you read a Twitter tweet or Facebook post, somebody analyzed your asset and you agree with it because the analysis or the social update was telling you the same thing that you are trying to do. So when that happens, that's false confidence. You're getting external validation from somebody that could probably not be telling the truth. So a lot of people make social updates on social platforms, and if you just follow other people's opinion or viewpoints, that's almost a dangerous thing, and then that is affecting your psychology. It's giving you confidence. That false confidence is what you don't want to have as a trader, because if you make a mistake when you are confident, you tend to come back into the market with either fear of missing out, FOMO, or come back to the market with revenge trading attitude or mindset, because you still have that high level of confidence. You don't want that. You want to go into the market, you want to go into the trade, every trade you make based on proper fine-tuned psychology. That proper fine-tuned psychology needs to come from analysis, understanding, knowledge, strategy, and plan. And of course, you can take into account price action as well. That's part of your trading strategy and trading plan. So when you have the right psychology, when you make decisions, when you make trades, you are almost unbeatable. Okay, why do I say that? Because with the right psychology, if you make a losing trade, you understand what's going on. You understand that you are allowed, you have the permission to make losing trades. All traders can make losing trades provided that they are able to control their losses. They're able to control the scenarios at which they are making losses. You are not allowed to make losses where you don't know what's going on. Okay, and if you have blind confidence, if you have false confidence, you will start to make losses with no understanding what is going on, and there will be no discipline to help you, there will be no analysis to help you, and there will be no strategy or plan to help you. Rather, it's just false confidence. So approaching the market with the right market psychology, psychology for the market, is a market secret. All good traders will tell you that if you master your psychology, the market cannot hurt you. Losses are inevitable, but good traders make them every day. They make losses every day. There's no such thing as good traders make 100% winning trades or profitable trades throughout the week. That's not true. Overall, in a particular week or in a particular month, they come out with a balance of winning trades and losing trades, profitable trades and losing trades. But you need to understand that they accept the losses because this is part of their strategy. They make decisions understanding that they don't have full control of the market, but they have full control of their analysis. So you need to approach the market with the right psychology. And finally, the third market secret is, as it relates to Forex, there are hidden opportunities beyond the major pairs. So if you're trading the major currency pairs like GBP USD, Euro USD, USD JPY, AUD USD. So these are major pairs, the big ones. But there are also opportunities, hidden opportunities in less volume currencies. Okay, and those moves from these non-major pairs could also be significant and could also be a source of huge trading profits for you. So be open to it, test it in your demo account, use the same strategy that you have written, that you have designed, use that also on other assets, on other currency pairs. If you're trading commodities, try those on commodities. If you're trading stocks, try those on stocks and indices. So if you don't try it out, then you don't know how relevant your strategy is, and you probably miss out on opportunities that are out there available to you every day as well. So in the platform, always scan the assets that are there and then see if your strategy makes sense and works to give you good trading setups, and try it out. Try it out first on the demo account so that you can see the rate, the probability of which you can win with these other assets: CHF JPY, Euro MXN, let me see, AUD JPY, AUD NZD. So try it out. The market is not just made up of the major currency pairs. There are other assets that you can trade. So be open to trying those things out, because you never know when, it could be that your trading strategy is perfect for one of the other assets that's out there. And if you never test it, then you never know. That's a source of wins. It's a source of long-term profit for some traders who have discovered that it works. So be sure to try that out. Okay. So thank you for joining me on this Tuesday live stream. We have a promotion going on, and the description for that promotion is down in the description section. Use the promo code to double your deposit, and with double the deposit, you of course can make more trades and most probably more profits. Be sure to test all your trading strategies first on the demo account. Do not trade blindly with false confidence or false no confidence. Try it. Start with strategy apply discipline, apply risk management, and hopefully you'll be able to make profits consistently over time. Okay, so I hope that has been beneficial to you. Subscribe to the channel for more and to get notified for future live streams and videos. Be sure to share the link also with your friends who enjoy trading so that they can join the discussion either on the chat during the live stream or in the comment section after the live stream. So I hope that has been helpful. I will see you in the next live stream. Take care. Bye bye.